horses? Well, come along. We're going to learn some fun things about horses today. Horses run very fast, about 27 miles per hour.
Woo-wee! That's fast. Giddy up, horsey!
Did you know that a female horse is called a mare? And a male horse is called a stallion. A young male horse is called a colt. And a young female horse is called a filly. Did you know that horses have bigger eyes than any other mammal that lives on land? Horses' eyes are at the side of their heads. This helped them to see about 365 degrees all around them at one time. Also, there are tame horses. That means you can have them as a pet. Or you can ride them. There are wild horses too. They love to run free. Horses have around 205 bones in their body. Can you believe that? Did you know that horses are herbivores? That means they love eating plants. Horses are great workers. They can ride at the rodeo. They can be a police horse. They can even help on the farm. I love farm horses. Horses can sleep standing up or lying down. Isn't that amazing?